我哥哥30了。
Today we'll learn the sentence filler particle word 了 is used at the end of a sentence to indicate the change of a state of affairs. The structure is subject plus age plus 了. For example, when we ask the age, the answer is 我哥哥30了. My elder brother is 30 years old. 我哥哥 is the subject. 30 is the age. So add 了 and you can know the age of your elder brother is changed into 30 years old.
你姐姐今年多大了
？29了。你哥哥呢？
我哥哥30了。
你哥哥结婚了吗？
结婚了。你姐姐呢？
没结婚。
Today we're going to learn sentence filler particle word 了. 了 is used at the end of a sentence to indicate the change of state of affairs. Firstly, I will talk about the change of age. The structure is subject plus age plus 了. And here I will show you one example. The age is 8 years old. And click here. 我8岁了。我8岁了. It means I'm 8 years old. And here is one key point. If the age is under 10 years old, we should add 岁. We should say 我8岁了, not say 我8了. But if you are more than 10 years old, you can add 岁 or not. Okay, secondly, I will show you another. The change of action. The structure is subject plus verb plus 了. Of course, I will show you one example. The verb is go, and click here. 我走了。我走了. It means I'm going. Okay, now it's your turn. Please follow it and read it loudly.